Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to lock apps in iPhone. iOS 18 are introducing this feature, so we will see detailed demonstration how to lock and what is the new of iOS 18. We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. If you want update iOS 18, you can watch this video and very easily update. So now let's start as a demonstration in mobile screen. So look at this. This is my iPhone and I just update yesterday night iOS 18 beta version. If you see here, look at this, I just install iOS 18 developer beta version. And now how to lock app, it's very easy. If you press long here any of the app, so look at this here, require Face ID option they are introducing of specific iOS 18. You just simply tap require Face ID and your password is a set. If you open here second time without face, you can't open this application or access. That is the beauty of iOS 18. This is a simple tips and tricks to lock application in iPhone. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.